whilst I haven't been uploading videos, I've been brainstorming a lot and I've been coming up with loads of different ideas. And I think I've found the idea that's going to make us the 10K a month. What I'm going to do is upload a YouTube video and I'm going to fully use Vidiq so you can see exactly what it does. I'll use it to create the title, thumbnail, the tags, and even the description, so you can see whether or not Vidiq is really worth it. Now, personally, I would say it is worth it, but it all depends on whether you want to do all the work yourself or not. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm trying to find the most efficient way, which involves the minimal amount of work for myself. Also, guys, the secret source of crypto is in the description box of all my videos. So if you want to learn about crypto and you want to get financially literate, please do go and check out the secret source of crypto. So as you can see, what I've done here, I've typed in limited edition skins. So most people are going to see this, say Earth 2 skins update. Of course, the people who watch Earth 2 and support Earth 2 know that there's been new skins. So when I say limited edition, spark their mind to say, what is he talking about? So out of the 3 that it's given me, number 2 actually works, so insert it. Now we can actually get the thumbnail. So I've just clicked get AI thumbnail builder and it's loading and it's going to find me something which basically matches my title description. You know, if I didn't like these ones, I could generate a new one, but what I'm going to do is click tweak here. Then once I click tweak, downloaded it. So there you have it. That is the new thumbnail. I've gone into Canva, edited it, put myself in the bottom left, just so you know, when people come across it, they know that's one of Big Dre's videos. Now, when you scroll down to tags, Vidiq will again recommend you different tags. So we can say, what is the metaverse? So we know the score right now is 35.5. Search volume is only 3,000 and the competition is very, very high. But realistically, what you'd want to do is find one that's quite low. I'm not going to scroll all the way down because, you know, you shouldn't be seeing this because this is the paid version. So there you have it, guys. I went over, clicked upload, and that is it. The video is fully up and running. If you go and watch this guy's YouTube video, this is AI guy. He makes great YouTube videos, literally all through AI. And that's what I'm going to be focusing on throughout 2024. And that is what's going to get me from 0 to 10K a month.